We come to a place in our life where all of a sudden we make a decision that is a pivotal point in our life, and we believe with conviction as much as we believe based upon the past and where it's brought us to the ultimate present right now. But when you start to take steps forward into the horizon that you truly believe in, and you start removing the blinders off of what it is that you have been historically exposed to from a mindset perspective, you're able to break into a future that is truly filled with your dreams unfolding right before your eyes. Harbor Seal Coating in Wilmington, North Carolina, our client at Asphalt Kingdom, has done exactly this. We remember the first day that we had the meeting and conversation, and today they're unfolding tens of thousands worth of pavement asset management and building a business that is filled with accomplishing and exceeding what it is that their previous old average mindset was. Congratulations to Harbor Seal Coating on your pavement asset management business, committed to solving problems and over-delivering on value.